iQOO confirmed that it will soon announce a new phone named the iQOO Z9 Turbo Plus in China. While the brand has already revealed its design, according to a leak by Experience More on Weibo, the iQOO Z9 Turbo Plus will be launched in China on September 24th. The above image shows that the iQOO Z9 Turbo has a flat display on the front. Its rear shell has a Squircle camera island housing 2 cameras. The phone's overall design is almost identical to the iQOO Z9 Turbo, which debuted with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip earlier this year in China. The iQOO Z9 Turbo Plus has a 6.78-inch flat OLED panel that offers a 1.5K resolution and a 144Hz refresh rate. For security, it is equipped with an in-screen fingerprint sensor. It features an OIS-enabled 50-megapixel primary camera and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens. A 16-megapixel selfie camera. The device is said to feature the Dimensity 9300 Plus chipset and a run on Android 14 and Origin OS 4, with the company's Q1 gaming chip and dual-frequency GPS, and will weigh around 199 grams. It will pack a massive 6000 mAh battery with 80W charging support. The Z9 Turbo Plus is expected to be priced at around 2,000 yuan. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.